My name is Barbara, speaking to you about Diversified Foods Group. Today, we are going to be talking about how fast food restaurant brands from Diversified Foods Group create local jobs in communities across the United States. Every time Diversified Foods Group opens a new restaurant, 20 jobs are directly created from the new franchise. These jobs are the servers, cashiers, cooks, and cleaners for the restaurant. But restaurant employees are not the only jobs created by Diversified Foods Group. For every new restaurant from Diversified Foods Group, 20 indirect jobs are created in the local community. These include postal and sanitation workers, government administrators, and employees of other companies such as banks. These indirect jobs are created because the fast food restaurant from Diversified Foods Group is bringing in new business, which has a knock-on effect to other businesses in the community. Get in touch today and learn how Diversified Foods Group continues to create jobs all over the United States. There are so many success stories in the world. Be part of this one.